Here the question is, out of potassium iodide or potassium sulfate, which electrolyte is better in the coagulation of positive salt? If you compare potassium iodide and potassium sulfate is generally more effective for coagulating a positively charged salt compared to potassium iodide because sulfate ions have a higher charge density and can provide a stronger counteracting force against the positive charge on the salt particles. While potassium iodide can also coagulate a positively charged salt by providing iodide ions to neutralize the positive charges on the salt particles, but it is less effective compared to potassium sulfate. The reason is the presence of single negative charge. The iodide ions from potassium iodide carries a single negative charge. So to neutralize the positive charge on the salt particles, a large number of iodide ions would be needed. This makes potassium iodide less efficient because it provides fewer counter ions for the charge neutralization compared to potassium sulfate. So potassium sulfate is better. For explaining this answer, you will get 1 mark.